Basic colors. Easy English vocabulary for beginners.
Red. This apple is red. The apple is red when it is ripe. We like red apples because they are sweet.
Blue. The sky is blue. The sky is blue when it is clear. The sky is blue during the day and black at night.
Green. This leaf is green. The leaf is green when it has enough water. Some leaves are green in the summer and yellow in the autumn.
Yellow. This banana is yellow. The banana is yellow when it is ripe. The banana is yellow when it is good to eat and green when not.
Black. The sky is black. The sky is black because it is nighttime. The sky is black at night and blue during the day.
White. Snow is white. There is beautiful white snow in winter if you live closer to the poles. We love white snow because it makes winter look beautiful.
Orange. The carrot is orange. The carrot is orange because it has vitamins. We eat orange carrots because they are healthy.
Purple. This eggplant is purple. It is purple by nature. Not all eggplants are purple. Some are white and even green.
Pink. This dress is pink. Many children like to wear pink clothes. Not only girls wear pink clothes.
Brown. This chair is brown. It is brown because it is made from wood. We make chairs from brown wood because they are strong.
Gray. This cloud is gray. The cloud is gray when it is full of rain. We carry umbrellas when clouds are gray because it might rain.
Gold. This toilet is gold. It is gold because it is made from gold. Rich people like gold toilets because they show how rich they are.
Silver. This coin is silver. The coin is silver because it is old. Some people collect old silver coins because they can be valuable.
Rainbow. The colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
The apple is red, the sky is blue, the leaf is green, the banana is yellow, the sky is black at night, the snow is white. The carrot is orange, the eggplant is purple, the dress is pink, the chair is brown, the cloud is gray, the toilet is gold.